In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your gallery cover in Notion. The gallery view is a fantastic layout for databases that include images. It not only makes everything look more aesthetically pleasing, but also allows each item to stand out, making navigation and recognition a breeze. If your gallery view isn't currently displaying an image, or if you just want to swap it out for something else, you'll be happy to know that the process to do this is remarkably simple. First things first, let's navigate to the top right corner of your database. Here you'll notice 3 dots. This small icon is your gateway to a variety of customization options. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Layout. Once you're in the Layout section, you'll be greeted by 6 different layout options. At first glance, this might seem overwhelming, but don't worry. Scrolling down slightly will reveal more settings that are pertinent to configuring your gallery covers. Now, one of the key settings you'll focus on is the Card Preview setting. This setting dictates which property of your database Notion should use to source the image for the gallery cover. It's like telling Notion which drawer to look in for that specific item you're searching for. You'll select this setting, and then it's simply a matter of choosing the property that contains the images you want to display as your gallery covers. When you make a selection, magic happens. Your gallery view will automatically update to reflect these changes, showcasing the new images you've selected. This means you can personalize the look and feel of your database effortlessly, ensuring that it aligns perfectly with your needs and aesthetic preferences. The best part? You can repeat these steps anytime you want a new look, or if you add more images to your database. And just like that, your gallery view will now proudly display the images you've specifically chosen as the cover. It's an incredibly user-friendly process that takes mere minutes to master, yet it brings a considerable transformation to how your database appears and operates. Welcome to the world of streamlined and stylish Notion galleries. Enjoy the enhanced visual clarity and organization that your new gallery covers bring. Happy organizing, and enjoy exploring the full potential of your Notion workspace.